Hello, today we will guide you through how to install Interactive Brokers in Windows 10, 11. In a few minutes, you'll have the Interactive Brokers application installed and ready to open on your Windows PC. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in with an account that has permission to install software on your computer. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address or search bar, type Interactive Brokers Download, then press Enter. On the results page, look for the official Interactive Brokers site. It should clearly indicate you're on the company's download page. This helps you avoid lookalike links and ensures you're getting the legitimate installer. Once you've located the official result, click it to open the download page. Here, find the option specifically labeled for Windows. Interactive Brokers provides a Windows installer compatible with Windows 10 and Windows 11. Click the Download for Windows button. Your browser will begin downloading an installer file, usually with a .exe extension. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location you can easily find, such as the Downloads folder. Wait for the download to finish before moving on. When the download completes, open the installer. You can do this directly from your browser's Downloads prompt or by going to your Downloads folder and double-clicking the file. If Windows asks for permission to allow the app to make changes, confirm by selecting Yes. If you see a security prompt, check that the publisher is listed as Interactive Brokers before proceeding. Now follow the on-screen procedure to install. You'll typically be asked to choose a language, review, and accept the license agreement, and pick an installation location. If you're unsure, the default options are usually best. You may also be offered to create desktop or start menu shortcuts. Leaving these enabled makes the app easier to find later. Click Next or Install to continue and let the installer run. You'll see a progress bar while files are copied to your system. This can take a few moments depending on your computer and internet speed. When the installation completes, you'll see a Finish button. You may be given the option to launch the application immediately. Choose that if you want to open it right away, or uncheck it to start it later. If Windows suggests a restart, save your work and reboot to finalize the setup. After installation, you can find Interactive Brokers from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. That's it. You've successfully installed the Interactive Brokers application on Windows 10 or 11.